I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Wait, okay, we're gonna do Shazam, everyone. 1, 2, 3, Shazam!
Dad, like, yeah. It's my algebra teacher. Shazam! And like my. Watch your pole as I touch your face. What was that? Right now. Watch it pour as I touch your face.